Good morning, students. In this session, we are going to discuss about singly linked list and chains. So last class we discussed about the linked list. So here today we are going to discuss about singly linked list and chains. There are different types of linked list are there. So one is single linked list, double linked list, circular linked list, circular double linked list. Today we are going to discuss about single linked list. So the first one, singly linked list and chain. What is singly linked list and chain? That means is one of the linked list in which all the nodes are linked together in a sequential manner. When you consider in a linked list, what the nodes are there, the nodes are connected, the nodes are linked together. So each node consists two parts. One is data part, another one is link part. The last class also we already discussed about the linked list node. So when you consider the node in a linked list, each node consists two parts. One is data part, another one link part. What is data part means? The node consists the data item. So the data part consists the data. Then the link part consists the address of the next node. So these are the two parts of the one node of the linked list. Then each node of a list is comprising of two items. One is data, data part and link part. So the data and a reference to the next node. The reference to the next node means the link part reference the address of the next node. The last node has a reference to null. Because each node has the data part and link part. Data part, data item. Link part, the address of the next node. So when you consider the last node of the link part, the reference to null value. The entry point into a linked list is called the head of the list. You see the graphical representation of the singly linked list. So this is the one of the example. In this example, there are three nodes are there. There are three nodes. The first node is a head node. The first is a head node. Then in these three nodes, the first node, when you consider the first node, 10 is the data item. So data part of the first node. 1000 is the address of the next node. So when you consider the second node, the data part 15, then the link part has the value 2000. 2000 means the address of the next node. Where we can specify the address of the next node, the link part. So here you consider the first node. The 4000 is the address of the first node. But here the previous node is no. 10,000 is the first node. So 10 when you consider the first node, 10 is the data item because the node has two parts, 10 data part, link part. So in the first node, 10 is the data part, 1000 is the link part, which specify the address of the next node. So in the next node, the address is specified below the node. So when you consider the second node, 15 is a data part, 2000 is the address of the next node, below the second node 1000 will be mentioned. What is the meaning of the 1000? 1000 is the address of the second node. So the first node link pod has the address of the second node 1000. Okay, so the first pod, the second node of first pod 15, second node link pod, that is the address of the next node, that is 2000, because the second node has the address of the next node, third node address. So third node, the address of the third node is 2000, that is specified in the below of the third node. Okay, so in this example there are three nodes are there. These three nodes, each node has two pods. One is data pod, another one is link pod. Link pod that specify the address of the next node. So in this first node 10 is a data pod, 1000 is the address of the next node, 1000 address of the second node. The address of the second node specify below the second node. Okay, otherwise no need to write below 4000, 1000, 2000. Okay, no need to write the address below the nodes. So only 10,000, then second node 15, 2000, third node 20, null value. Because the last node, the reference, the link pod is specified by the null value. Okay. Then next one, circular linked list. A circular linked list is one which has no beginning and no ending, because the null pointer of the last node of a linked list is replaced with the address of its first node. This type of linked list, that is called the circular linked list. You consider this example. Here, circular linked list. The same example, but we can specify for the circular linked list. Here the previous one for the singly linked list. So only each node linked with another node. But in the circular linked list, the null pointer of the last node of a linked list is replaced with the address of its first node. So in the circular linked list, the address of the last node specify, that is specify means the address of the last node linked with the first node. Okay, you listen the line, the link part, the link. Here also there are three nodes. The first node 10,000, 10 is the data pod, 1000 is the address of the next node. Then the second node, first pod, data pod, second pod, address of the next node. Address of the next node is 2000. Okay. Then when you consider the third node, 20 is the data pod. Then next 4000. So address of the first node. So in the circular linked list, the last node linked with the last node specify, the link part of the last node specify the address of the first node. So this type of linked list, that is called the circular linked list. Okay, in the circular singly linked list, the last node contains the address of the first node. But in the singly linked list, the last node link pod is to specify null. But in the circular linked list, the last node of the link pod specify the address of the first node. So this is the example. single linked list and circular linked list. Here 45, 100. 45 is the data part of the first node. 100 is the address of the second node. Then second node, 60 is the data part of the second node. 200 is the address of the third node. Okay. So second node linked with the third node. The third node has the data part 35. Then the last, the link part of the last node specify the null. So null, that is we can specify the letter n. Okay. The first single linked list, we don't specify the address below the node. Okay. But here in this example, we specify the address of each node below of each node. 4000, 1000, 2000. But no need to specify. Okay. So in this example, but we can understand 45, 100. 100 is the address of the second node. Okay. The second node 60, 200. 60 is the data part. 200 is the address of the third node. Okay. So this is the example of single linked list. Then circular linked list. The circular linked list example, we specify the address of each node below. Okay. So you consider. Here also 3 nodes are there. 45, 100. The first node has 2 parts. First part 45, that is the data part. 100 is the address of the next node. The address of the next node linked with the next node, second node. So second node 60, 200. 60 is the data part. 200 is the address of the second node. Then the link part. The link part specify the link part linked with the next node. The third node has 2 parts. Data part 35. Then 400. Because in the circular linked list, the last node linked with the address of the first node. So the link part of the last node, how to specify the address of the first node. Because it's a circular linked list. Okay, but in the single linked list, we specify the link part of the last node null value. But in the circular linked list, the link part of the last node specify the, that is specify means the link with the address of the first node. So in this third node, the link part specify 400. That is the address of the first node. So the link part link with the address of the first node. Okay, circular linked list. That's the difference between single linked list and circular linked list. Then inserting the node in the singly linked list. You consider this example because each and every linked list, anyway circular linked list, singly linked list, we can insert and delete a node from the list. So this is the example for inserting the node in a singly linked list. Here you consider, first there are 4 nodes are there. Okay, first node represent the head node. So first node data part 33, then link part link with the next node 91. Okay, first the second node link with the third node 23. Then the third node link with the fourth node 55. Then the last node of the link part specify the null value because it's a singly linked list. Okay, now if you want to add one more node, otherwise if you want to insert one node between the second and third node, okay, now we insert one node between second and third node. The new node is 15. The new node is 50. You listen the diagram. You listen the figure. Okay. Then our new node is 15. 15. Then link pod. First you specify null value. Okay. So now we have to insert this node, the new node between second and third node. At that time, the link part of the second node link with the new node. Then the link part of the new node link with the third node. Because we have to insert one node between second and third node. Okay, so the second node link part link with new node, then the new node link part link with third node. Okay, so insert the node, then delete a node from the list. So first one, before deletion, after deletion. So first you consider one linked list. There are four linked lists, so four nodes are there. First node 35 400 data pot link pot, then second node data pot link pot, then third node 46 data pot 500 link pot. Okay, so link pot that specify the address of the next node. So fourth node address 500. So in the third node, the link pot we can specify the address of the fourth node 500. Okay, before deletion. So after deletion, now if you want to delete a node from the list, which node we delete? The second node. Okay, so in this example, we delete the second node. The second node, that is 48 300. Now deleted. So after deleting the first node linked with third node, because second node is deleted. So first node linked with third node, then third node linked with last node. So last node, the link part of the last node specify null value that represents n. Okay. Now the first node link with third node, because the second node is deleted. See, in the first, before deletion, the link part of the first node has the value, the address of the next node 400. But now the second node is deleted. So after deleting the second node, the link part of the first node specify the address of the third node. Because after deleting, here there is no second node. Second node is deleted. So the first node linked with third node. So the link part of the first node has the address of the third node. So 35 300. Okay, it linked with third node. Third node, that's a, now after deletion there is a second node 46 500. Okay, so before deletion, after deletion. Are you understand, students? Okay, thank you, students.